Hello and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is another exciting part of the Elk Raid Season 17. Here we are in Derlenberg with 11 tankers. We are waiting for the Tilkka to set up the race. He is on the podium. There, Caleb is a little bit nervous. There, already going. See, again he moved. On the second spot we have Pompadour. I think can just see up there. Oh well, anyway. And there is a Miksu last, then Tokku and me. And no, that was not the race yet. Oh, we were still waiting for the Peaky Princess to come right place. Yeah, Pete is third, and then there is the Faust, Corby, Tiger, Peaky and Caleb. And what the hell is lasting so long there? Well, oh, now we are on. There's a great fight from the start with Caleb and Peaky. Caleb went right ahead of him, and there is a first circle and crash, boom, bang. Fuck. Peaky got ahead of Caleb again, and Miksu is already here because, well, they were crashing on my side. Peaky hits the building, and Tokku gets right to ass of the Peaky, and Pete is flipped out and wrong side on, and then 180 degrees again. And this is quite dangerous place to drive because there's a fucking river, and what the hell is going? Caleb crashing on me and Peaky tries to sorry. And then there is a safety car, and Tokku have to get behind me because he got ahead when the safety car was on the fucking race map. So I get his spot. Here we are getting for the new start. Didn't remember press R key to go forward, but well, fuck. You can always get everything right. And now we are ready and go again. And fuck. I lost my track there. Oh. Well, you can even describe this madness here again. It's put the fighting there again. Tilka is still running first. Tiger is going second, and serious fighting for the third place. There's Faust, Beast, Korpi, Tokku. Very tight formation. And wait the fuck. Kids, remember, don't drink and drive at the same time. It looks like this when you drink when driving. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Lost again. Serious amount of HP there, so now I have to be really careful. Only 121. And I try to avoid peaky, but no, fuck. They go almost rest of HP and tracks again, of course. And let's leave me to the last boss, of course. Fuck. Oh, thanks, Pete. That was very generous from him. And oh shit, there goes Bomba. Well, but it's a good thing for me, because now I can get closer to them. And Pete went ahead of me when the safety car was on, but and I have to go to the pit stop because I lost my tracks, but because safety car, it doesn't really matter. So I don't wait for 5 seconds. Yeah, because then everyone else should have to wait 5 seconds longer to be able to continue the race. And here we are again. And come on, shoot already. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that we are already. Maybe it was that. And oh, Pete crashes to the building, and of course when I'm on his tail, so when he stop like to the wall where he crashed actually, I lost my rest HPs. And again safety car. Just one full lap and three are already down. Let's see the bridge. Nope, everybody driving so cautiously here. What the ladies. And oh. Whoa, that was beautiful. And what the fuck was that? Never mind. Yeah, beautiful flying in a formation. That one. I was sure that somebody would die on that, but nope. That was under control. And it looks like everybody waiting for someone else to make a mistake. So cautiously playing, and Faust did a little slippery there, but Tokku were unable to capitalize on that, and Peace was taking some long drink there, so Faust get ahead of me, but Tokku pushed him out of the field, but it just made Peace to get back on his old spot there. Some revenge there. Oh. This is just absolutely madness. When somebody gets ahead of you, you push him sideways on, and then he pushes you, and then he loses traction. Oh, you can't possibly make this up. And Faust go for the pitch stop, and Tokku takes that option too. And Miksu also. They are probably hoping for the safety car. And Miksu is just about in the pit stop. I don't know what video referee will be thinking about that. In the worst case, it's the ban from the clan, but there's my corpse. Tokku were a little slowed down when he hits me. This is really dangerous place to battle. So no one really taking that risk after they saw what happened to the Peakki and Pompa. This actually quite challenging race. There isn't really big jumps or things like that, but there's always some rubbish and trash and little minor obstacles which slow you down if you don't drive good enough. It's really a speed race on this one. Not so about luck that if somebody crashes you on a landing, but some cases it's still a little bit about that somebody drive to your side when you're in those circles. in my opinion. I think I got crashed in every fucking circle in this race. Oh, Caleb and Tiger were little making making little friendship there, so Tokku used that on his advantage. Tiger go for pit stop, so he won't tread Tokku or Caleb for a little time. And there's pieces first, there's Corby and Tilkka, and they all crashed to that building. really generous. And Tokku managed to avoid my corpse, and Caleb hit it of course. And I think Faust managed to avoid it too. And there is a Mixu. He's upside down. And there's Campete. And Pete pushes Mixu on the right side. Yeah, and Mixu lets Pete front of him. What the... what chivalry, but it usually don't pay off. Because if you're too nice guy, you will be in the last spots. I don't mean that you have to be a dirty player and always fighting with someone, because it really slows you down, but when you have opportunity to make it your advantage, it really helps you up in the race. Yeah, let's switch back to Tokku again. But that I have to say about Pete. If Mixu would crash it, there would be a safety car, and he would be on the back again. So in a tactical mind, it was a really poor decision, but well, at last he didn't ruin Mixu's game. Maybe it pays off later. You never know. Because racers tend to have really long memory about what happened and when and who did what and so on. And well, we have the safety car anyway. Corby went little swimming there, and because Tilkka is on pit stop, Tokku can capitalize on that, but hey, actually it was the last It was the last fucking, it was the final. It's there. Biisissä Vinööteen Tokku, Tilkka, Faust, Caleb, and Tiger, Miksu, and Pete is coming. And only four crashes. That's a less that you would think. Really. But that's all for this time. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day, night, or whatever.